Welcome to our 7th tutorial of how to crochet for absolute beginners. And guess what? Today we are making a nice project out of what we've learned the last 6 tutorials. This is what we are going to make. Little leaves. Look how cute they are. And we will use all of the stitches which we've learned. Now it's autumn, I thought this was quite a cute project with different colors, and you can do it to different project. You can use this leaf. You can make a guirland if you want. Just put through here a little ribbon, or you can do a big chain, and with the yarn just put them like this, and you can make nice autumny guirland, leaf guirland. Lots of things you can do with leaves. And let's do our first project. And from now on it won't be for absolute beginners, because you know how to do all these 6 stitches, and it's quite a lot you've learned. And guess what? We are starting with our famous or familiar slip knot again. So we do slip knot, and we will chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Normally I would ask you to turn over and do from the back, but for this project we don't have to. And what I've done, you can see different patterns for leaves, but I wanted mine to be a little bit pointy. That's why I've done them the way you will see in a moment. So we will start with a slip stitch. We'll leave this alone, and we'll go to the second stitch in from the hook. So we're doing the first one is a slip stitch, then we will do 2 single stitch, in the next 2 stitches. So this is how they get pointier. Then we will do 1 half crochet stitch, then we will do 1 double crochet stitch in the next stitch. Can you see how the shape of the leaves start showing? And then in the next stitch we will do 2 treble ones. So yarn over twice, and now in the same stitch can you see? So what we've done now, we've used our slip stitch, and I've done 2 single, and then it was half a double, double, and 2 treble, and this is how it looks. So now we are going to go down, but I do not want to have this pointy leaf at the back. So let's see how we'll finish. So the next one will be 1 double crochet stitch, then 1/2 double, and we end up with a single stitch. So we've done half of the leaf. So sometimes if you like it like this, you can leave it as a leaf like that. I will show you what I've done. Like this is my mini pumpkin, which I will make another tutorial with how I've used and what size and how many stitches. But here I decided to use this leaf, just half of the leaf, exactly how this is. Look how cute it is. So it just curls. So if you want it for certain tutorials, you can just, not tutorial, for certain project, you can just make half a leaf, different project. So now I want to make a little leaf for this, a little stem for this leaf. And what we do, we chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we do our slip stitch. So here we can turn it around and work in not the first, the second bump from the hook. Slip stitch, slip stitch, slip stitch, so when we finish there will be 5 slip stitch. So this is our little stalk, and now we go back into this and do a slip stitch again. So what we can do is, instead of using a needle, we can just hide this end of a yarn while we're working our way back for the leaf. So now we go back and we do exactly what we did in reverse order. So here is the single stitch, then half double stitch in the next, then double. But can you see I'm putting the thread which we started with, I hide it in, so when I do go in the next stitch I put this thread here and I work over it. So this is the double crochet, and now in this one we will do again 2 treble crochets. Look, it starts having a lovely shape. And now 1 double crochet, 1/2 double crochet, another single. Now it's another single. Now it's a slip stitch, and now we'll do one chain and then go in this slip stitch here at the beginning. Slip stitch in the beginning. Now chain one and cut. So this is the little bit left from the yarn we hit. It's alright. Now it's safe to cut it. And this one we are going to weave in. So we will go into here. When you pull it to have a nice pointy leaf. So I'll skip this and I'll go from this little X. Now it's nice and secure. We can cut it. And this is our first project. Well done, you. Please leave your leaves, pictures of your leaves and whatever else you have done down in the comments. If you're stuck anywhere, just go back, rewatch, and you can do it. I'm happy to help with any other advice if you need. Just comment. Look how cute this one's. Well done, all of you. From now on, I will just put different tutorials and I will use these terms, and I hope you like it. Bye bye.